Hi, good afternoon. We have got Navi. She's from Indonesia and she has passed her driving test with Origin Driving School. This is the first time she has taken the lesson and test with us. How are you, Navi?
I'm very good.
How are you feeling?
Oh,
You're
very
feeling?
happy.
Okay. Top of my head, you have taken few tests with other schools, but unfortunately you didn't pass that time, and then you choose Origin Driving School,
Yeah.
and this time you pass.
Yeah,
Straight?
yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Is the test hard?
Actually, the number yes. Just have to focus.
Focus. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Don't be nervous.
good.
It's otherwise it's gonna be hard.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
okay, good. And do you think you have taken the right direction from Origin Driving School, and Origin Driving School guide you right?
Yes.
Okay. And we have practiced enough
Yeah.
in the test route?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
And do you recommend your other friends and family members to Origin Driving School?
I will, of course.
Okay. So all the best wishes for your success and you enjoy the safe driving. Okay, Navi?
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. It's our pleasure to serve you, Navi.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
You're very good.